Tonight, it was a bombshell decision. Justice Penny Wolfgang setting aside the murder conviction against Molly's pub manager Jeffrey Basil, all stemming from a juror withholding her military experience during jury selection.
We now know tonight that juror number 12 will not be facing any charges from the Erie County District Attorney's office. But could all of this set a bad precedent for future cases and disrupt the process of selecting an honest jury? 7 Eyewitness News reporter Ed Branch digging into the story for us tonight.
Well, Keith, Juror 12's actions had major implications on the Jeff Basil murder trial, but jury selection is not a perfect science. In fact, one attorney calls it a crapshoot.
You're never going to get a full and honest jury for that simple fact that there's human beings involved.
But defense attorney Frank Latempio agrees juror number 12 hurt the case against Jeffrey Basil. Latempio, who was not involved in the trial, says the integrity and sanctity of the jury system could have been affected because juror 12 did not disclose at jury selection that she was in the military and had an arrest record, leading a state Supreme Court justice to vacate Basil's conviction.
I think what she did is very damaging. But I think that more importantly, I think Judge Wolfgang did the right thing and hopefully quashed any potential damage that it would have to the jury system.
In no uncertain terms, Justice Penny Wolfgang admonished this juror, saying she was the reason Basil did not get a fair trial.
Despite having taken a solemn oath to answer truthfully questions asked them relative to their qualifications to serve as jurors in this action, juror number 12 did no such thing.
But former Erie County District Attorney Frank Clark says, despite the facts, another judge could have upheld the conviction.
Don't make any generalizations based on this particular case.
Clark agrees some jurors are not as honest as possible at jury selection, but says that does not mean every jury is going to be tainted.
Since it was a discretionary area, I don't take anything that's set in stone. You know, just because it rained last Thursday doesn't mean it's going to rain every May 3rd. Things change.
Clark says there isn't anything that should be done to change how jurors are selected. He believes Jeffrey Basil will get a new trial. Basil's due back in court next month. Ed Branch, 7 Eyewitness News.